Hello friends and welcome to today's video. In this video I am going to show you how you can create a drawing app or a app in which you will be able to draw and color. Okay? So as you are kids you like to draw in mobile phones, right? So such an application you are going to create by your own and then do the things. Okay, do the things that you can draw, color, paint, things like that using your own application. Okay, so let's get started. So before getting started to the video, please do subscribe to my channel and like this video. Okay, so now let's first create the outline of the application, like how the application should look like. Okay, so first let's keep all the color buttons so that we can choose different colors and then draw. Okay, so for that let's do the horizontal arrangement. Just drag it and drop it here. Okay, we are choosing a horizontal arrangement in such a way that we are going to keep all our buttons. Okay, so now let's drag and drop buttons 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, so now you can see that you cannot see the other buttons because all these buttons are like the text for button one. It's so big, right? That's the reason. Let's like first let's like rename the text like black. Okay, now let's rename the button one as black button. Okay, so now the next one can be the rename it to be the green button. Okay, now let's give here like green. Okay, so now the next one again the red underscore button. Okay, and let's give here like red. It's red. I wrote like R3D. Sorry guys. Okay, now let's go to rename it to like the yellow button. Okay, so now let's give it here as yellow. Now the last one can be the blue button. Okay, if you have more colors you can give. There is no problem as such, but I am like just choosing only this one. I think that we can put one more button here, right? Let's click and give here. Let's rename it to be like the pink button. Okay, and let's give here like pink. Okay, so now I think all these buttons are here. Okay, so now let's give each button its own color. Okay, so let's give like the background color to be black and the text color to be white. Okay, but the text color is not been shown, right? Let's take it to be white. Okay, the next button can have the background color red. Font is bold. The next one is green. I hope you know this because you have been watching my previous videos, right? So you know how to change its color, how to make it bold. Okay, that's the only reason why I'm not explaining it again to you. Okay, now go to the blue button, change its color and make it bold. Okay, so now you can see that it's kept in the horizontal arrangement. Okay, next what we are going to do is let's drag and drop the canvas. Inside the canvas, actually we are going to draw. Okay, so let's drag it, drop it. Okay, now what we need is the button for to put it out. Okay, this is our clear button. Let's rename it to like be the clear scope button. Okay, and let's give here like clear. So if you click on this, whatever you have drawn will be erased. Or let's give like erase. Okay. So this is the erase button. Now in the canvas, let's give like fill parent, and the width is also fill parent. Fill parent means it will be the screen. Okay. Now let's move the erase to the center of the screen. So let's give it here like center, and this also. Okay. So now you can see that every color and every button kept in a good way, right? So this is how your application looks. Okay. Now let's give the coding for each and every button. Okay. So you have to draw in the canvas and you use each color and then draw. Okay. If you want this erase, it will be erasing. Okay. So now let's go to the blocks. Okay. I hope you have read along with me, right? So now if you have finished setting up the UI means user interface, where the user will be using in order to draw and color, right? So this is the UI, which is the designer portion where we have it. Now let's go to the canvas and take when canvas 1 is dragged. Okay, we are dragging the canvas 1, then what will happen? You have to give like call canvas 1 draw line. Okay, we are using this line in order to draw the line. Okay, so now you know that in order to draw a line you will have 2 points, like you will have the starting point and the end point. Okay, so the x1 and the y1 is the starting point and x2 and y2 is the ending point. Okay, so now let's take get previous x. Okay, now let's go take get previous y. Okay, because it's a starting point means it will be a previous one when compared to the end point, right? When you start drawing the starting point, draw a line. If you reach the end point means the end point is the point that you are standing and the previous point is the starting point, right? So that is what we did here. Now go to current x and the current y. Okay, so now this is done in order to draw the line. Okay, now we have to set each button each color. Okay, so now let's start with the black button. When black button is clicked, set canvas 1 paint color 2. So go to canvas. Sorry that I had an error. Okay, but now I am back. Okay, so now let's scroll down and then let's take like set the canvas 1 paint color. Okay, to whichever is the color. If it is a black button means it should be set to black, right? So let's go to the colors and take the black and place it here. Okay, so now let's go to the red button. Take when red button is right. Sorry that I took another one. No problem. Let's delete it. Now let's go to the red button. Take when red button is clicked, what will happen? Set canvas 1 color to set canvas 1 paint color. Okay. Okay, set canvas 1 paint color to the red. Go to colors. Choose red. Okay, now let's read next buttons. Okay, again took this one. Okay, let's again go to the green button. Take when green button is clicked, go to canvas and choose Set canvas 1. Okay, so now let's choose that, like set canvas 1, paint color 2, and let's give the green. Okay, so now again go to the yellow button. Take when yellow button is clicked, go to the canvas. Take set canvas 1, paint color. Go to the colors and then choose the yellow. Okay, now let's do it for the pink button. When pink button is clicked, set canvas 1, paint color 2. Set canvas 1, paint color 2. Go to the colors, choose pink and place it. Okay. Now the last one is the blue button. Okay, let's take the blue button. Take when blue button is clicked, canvas. Set canvas 1 to set canvas 1, paint color 2, blue. Just place it inside. Go to color. Take this blue. Drag and drop. Okay, so now all our buttons are ready. Now what you have to do is for the clear button. Okay, so let's give like when clear button click, what should happen? Call canvas 1 to clear. Okay, so let's scroll down and take call canvas 1 clear. So if you click on this, your canvas will be cleared. Okay, so now what we are going to do is if you shake your phone also, your canvas has to be cleared. Okay, so for that what you have to do, go to the palette in the designer box and just take the accelerometer sensor, drag it and drop it. Okay, as it is a non-visible component, what will happen, you will be able to see it below. Okay, so why is it a non-visible component? Because only if you shake the phone you are able to understand that the accelerometer sensor is shaking, right? The accelerometer sensor is used to detect the shake in your phone. Okay, so go to accelerometer sensor and take when accelerometer sensor 1 shaking. What should happen? It should be clearing the canvas. So let's go to canvas and take call canvas 1 to clear. Okay, so now our drawing application is actually ready to work. Okay, so what you have to do? You will have to go to the connect, click on AI companion, scan the QR code and try to make it work. Okay, so if that is okay, if you want it to be building, what you have to do, if you want this application to be downloaded in your mobile phone, what you have to do, you will have to go to the build and then take app QR code for .apk. Okay, and then download it to your mobile phone. I hope this video was interesting for you guys. If it was interesting, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Okay, and don't forget to give the feedback about this video in the comment box. Okay students, then bye. See you in the next video with some other interesting games. Bye.